Hello, my great friends. I'm glad to see you on my next lesson. And we have our great design done with help of Bootstrap, and it works fine for us. And just for me, it looks a little bit old-fashioned, and what I want to do is to make it looking a little bit more modern, So for this, I want to use gradient backgrounds. I will use this generator, background generator. I will put link in the description below, and so it works just very easy to use. Okay, and I want to use something like this. If you don't like default predefined colors, you may change to whatever colors you want. Okay, okay, so great. And then I want to make navbar with this background. So for this, I will go in our great bug list component, and here I will find bug list page component. Here we have all our Bootstrap code, HTML code actually. So let's first of all, I want to find navbar and add here class. Okay, fancy background. Okay, great. Then, as you remember, we have some special file where we can put all our styles. Okay, so I go to bug list page SCSS file, and here I will add this class that I added here to navbar. Okay, so let's add it, and here we are. And I want to put here this background. So I go to this part and do copy paste of this code. Okay, let's put it here. Let's save our project, and let's see how it looks. Oh, it looks great, but actually I don't like this color, and I did some good looking background in advance, so I will put it here. I used the same tool to create this background. Let's save it and let's see how it looks. Oh, for me it looks better. Now I want to take care about this button. Okay, for this I want to use another great tool. It creates backgrounds as well, but some transparent, good looking background with name glass morphism. It was very popular in 2020 and I like it a lot, so I want to use it. So I copy and paste it as is. You can play with that. You see it changes design. Okay, you can play what configuration you want, what design you like. Okay, I want to use something default here, so and I want to use it for this button. Okay, for this I will use a class that already exists for this button. Where is it? Search, here it is. We have this class button. Okay, so let's use it. Go again to SCSS file and want to use this class, and I will put here code of background that I took in that from that great tool. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Oh, it looks much better now. Okay, then I want to make this button white, and I want to make this background gray so that button will look much better, because they will be white and background a little bit gray, and it will create some great looking thing, I think, in my opinion. Okay, so let's go and let's do it. Here we have this button active, and this is the cause why it's gray and these buttons are white. Okay, so I want to find this style. Here it is. I just take it as is. Okay, copy it and paste it into my styles and make it white. Okay, and this thing we don't need here. Let's just see what we've got. Okay, we've got it white, but what? No, I'm wrong. No, we need it like this. We need to change this background color actually. So let's change background, and this one we don't need, and this one we don't need. Great, let's see. Oh, now it's white, and then I want to change this background to gray, and for this I want to change background to all body tag. Okay, so let's try to do it. Body. So very important thing I want to notice here, that if you see every class we have for every class we have a point before class, and here I don't have a point. It's because that I want to apply a style to tag. Okay, not to class. Okay, okay, great. Let's just I have a class for this. Let's take it from here. I have actually I have a color for this background, and let's save it, and boom, again we don't have it gray. The reason for that is that this file works only for this component, and in this component, on this level we don't have body tag. Okay, it's placed in index.html file. Here it is. So I have to put styles on this level. Okay, here I have styles as CSS file, and I will put, and I will move my body style into this file. Okay, so I just have to cut and paste it here. Okay, and let's save it, and let's see what we've got. Boom, we have our great looking gray background and white buttons. Okay, so that's it. And the next thing, I want to change a little bit background of bug description. Okay, let's go for this. I will go to bug list page. I will find accordion item here. Okay, and I will add a class, description background. Okay, so we have it. I copy it and paste it here. Okay, before class, as you remember, I have to put a point. Okay, then curly brackets, and then I want to put background color that I prepared in advance. Okay, let's put it here, and let's see what we'll get. Okay, great. So we have this interesting background, and I want to add here some space between navbar and bugs because it looks not good now. And for this, what I have to do, I have to find div tag that envelopes all my bug list. Okay, this is it. If you see, I select this div, and I see that it ends here, and I have all my bug accordion items enclosed in this div tag. Okay, great. So I found it, and I want to take this class, okay, and copy it and paste it here, and add a margin top here. So margin top will add a margin at the top of my bug list. Okay, that's it. And let's see how it looks now. Oh, it looks much better. Okay, and now I want to make this corners rounded. For this, I will add I think I will add rounded corners to description background class. Okay, so border radius. Okay, so with this tag, let's first of all let's add this code, and I will explain it to you. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Here we have beautiful rounded corners, which is great. Okay, and now I will explain to you. As you saw, I have 0, 0, 20, 20 pixels for each corner. Okay, so how does it work? It's very easy to understand. It starts with top left corner here. Okay, so I put it as 0, and then clockwise this one 0, and this one 20 pixels, and this one 20 pixels. That's exactly what I did here. 0, 0, 20, 20. That's it. This way that works. Great. And the last thing that I want to do, to add rounded corners here as well for the button. Okay, and for this I have to find, I think this, no, where is button? Accordion item, accordion header. Okay, here it is, accordion button. So I want to add rounded corners to accordion button. Okay, so don't forget to add a point before class, and let's copy paste this thing here and save it, and let's see how it looks. Wow, great. We have good looking round corners here, we have great looking button, and we have some modern backgrounds here, and our bug list looks modern now, I hope. So that's it. Thank you.